Microsoft is once again jacking up the prices of Xbox consoles. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech and gaming news. Starting August 1st, the 512GB Xbox Series S will be $100 more expensive, and all 1TB models will run you an additional $150. The company is also dropping the 2TB version of the Xbox Series X. These changes will apply globally, and now Xbox Series S 512GB will cost you $500. Xbox Series S 1TB will be $600. Xbox Series X digital with no disk drive is $750, and Xbox Series X is $800. This is the third price hike for the consoles since the start of 2025. Microsoft increased Xbox prices in May last year, then again in October, and the reason is pretty much the same. Storage and memory prices have increased. That's why the entire consumer electronics industry is struggling with components crisis. Xbox's blog post didn't get into the details of why storage and memory costs have skyrocketed, but AI companies including Microsoft are investing so much in building out data centers that require tons of memory and storage. The rules of supply and demand dictate that prices go up, which is affecting all manner of consumer devices. Sony and Nintendo recently made their consoles more expensive as well, while Valve said this week the component crisis has affected price and availability of the Steam machine, which starts at a whopping $1,049. However, Microsoft is trying to soften the blow of these price hikes by a buy now, pay later program at Microsoft stores, 0% APR financing through Amazon, secondhand console purchases, and certified refurbished systems. But the company is not reviving its Xbox All Access program that allowed customers to buy a console and Game Pass Ultimate via a monthly payment plan. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.